Hmm?
Parang familiar po yung mukha niya.
Familiar?
Familiar. Looks familiar.
Oh. Hmm?
Yes.
Why?
On Facebook.
Facebook?
Yeah. Hindi ata siya yun. Hindi. Kamukha lang? Made in Korea ata siya.
Yeah,
In Japan.
we have
Korea.
Korean community here.
Ah, alright.
We are I think four Korean driver here in Philippines.
That's why you look like the other Korean.
Oh yeah.
I think vlogger.
Blogger. Oh, my
Vlogger.
friend. Yeah, my friend.
Vlogger.
Content
The
creator.
one with the Grab.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Content creator, my friend. Yeah.
Okay.
His name is Jongsu. Jongsu.
Youngsu.
Last name is I think it's Pot.